today's episode of CarSnipers, we are going up to Georgia to look at a 1963 Buick ELECTRA for a guy who's buying his first. We are there in about 10 minutes. We're going to take a good look at it. Sam, nice to meet you.
Jay,
hey.
Nice to meet you too, man. You can test drive if you want, buddy.
All right.
This time we ready. You gonna find out, bro.
Yeah, like I said, I'm here for a friend of mine, so I was gonna take a bunch of photos for him, send it over to him.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I lost all my service. Let me just put this in the car a little bit and then we can take a test drive if that's okay with you.
Yeah.
Hey darling, we're gonna take a little test drive.
Okay.
Can you hold this in the AC? It got hot and died.
In here?
Yeah.
I know.
No, the phone got hot and died.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Give him a quick call too and let him know everything about it. Okay, I got all that over to him. He said give me 10 minutes and while we're waiting for him, instead of having you out here in the heat, I run over to the bank because it's right around the corner here and grab all the cash. Hopefully everything is good for him.
Okay.
But I have all the photos I need, so be right back.
All right.
Okay, so I just got off the phone with Victor. And we went back and forth a little bit about this car. He would like to get it down a little bit more because it has some stuff that the seller didn't tell us about. Nothing crazy, nothing we are mad about, anything. We just need it down a little bit more. We are at the bank grabbing some cash and then we're gonna go back and negotiate with him. Hopefully it goes in our favor. It's incredibly hot, the phone died, the internet quit working, so I had to put it in the AC for a little bit. Just hate banks. Takes forever. Well, 20 minutes into. Damn. Give the money, take 5 seconds, take it out, takes half hour, an hour. Of course the AC decided to not work when we're standing still. 35 minutes. She got a lollipop too. Look at that shit. You got candy?
I got candy.
What about me?
Burning up or what? That took forever. And
he asked me for a video if we can start it, rev it up a little bit, and I just walk a lap around it. That's all he wanted.
All right. All right.
So after talking to the buyer, we made a little lower offer, and after letting the seller think about it for a little bit, we had a deal.
Yes, sir.
Put it up. Front's already strapped. Sam's strapping the back. Ooh. I'm gonna put her in park, okay?
All right, guys, we made it back, and here she is. It went pretty smooth. We did it in one day, and I think we're gonna be very happy with it. That's his first car. We got a great deal. We got the price down. We got it down even more than we were supposed to, and yeah, it's gonna be a good ride for him. I'm happy for him. Congratulations for your new ride.